is Teacher Luisa and welcome to my YouTube channel, Inspired Teacher Everyday. So today, ang aking share ay ang very simple tutorial on how to make this makeup look, yung fresh look lang, using a very minimal set of makeup. So you just need a foundation or a liquid foundation of your choice, makeup brow or pencil brow, or any kind of tint. So you can use this kind of tint or this one or the powdery or something like this, yung medyo creamy. So let's start our tutorial. This is so easy and nakaka-fresh talaga ng look. And this is for you to prepare easily sa ating mga online meetings and other things that we do online. So that's it.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling. Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and
Thank you for subscribing to my channel.